Hello, my love. Welcome to a guided meditation by Lavendaire. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate today and rediscover the power and guidance you have within. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your knees with your palms facing up. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Another deep breath in and deep breath out. Slowly. One more deep breath in and audible exhale out. Become still in this moment. Begin breathing through your nose. Start to become aware of your body. Drop out of the mind and into the body. Relax and breathe. Become aware of your inner self. Now, place your hands over your heart. Feel your heart. Begin to feel your heart beat. That is your life force. That is your will. That is your power. Take a deep breath and remember how powerful you are. Remember how you have been gifted this energy for life that you can now use to create what you want in this world. You have this beautiful energy to do something, and you can do whatever you want. Listen to your heart. What does it want? What is it that you want to feel? What do you want to do? What do you wish to move towards or to bring forth into this world? What do you want to create in your life? Listen and honor what it is your heart is telling you. Your heart is always guiding you. You just have to get quiet enough to listen. You can now rest your hands back down on your knees. Whatever your heart truly desires, I want you to now visualize it. Try to see and to feel what exactly it would be like if you go after this desire and this vision, illustrates all the details of your life, who you are in that moment, what is around you in that moment. What would life look like if you were to pursue this desire? What would life feel like? Now I want you to imagine a fire, a hot, burning, passionate flame. It is extremely potent, extremely powerful. That fire is in you. That fire is in your heart. That fire is your gift. It is your life force and your raw energy. Feel the power that is within you. Truly feel how powerful you are. This is the fire that will ignite your vision. This is the fire that will bring your dream to life. Take a moment for gratitude for this fire you have within. This is the energy that propels you forward. It's your passion, drive, motivation, and power for life. It's a beautiful thing, and we all have this fire within us. Next, I will share some affirmations to support your journey. I will repeat them twice and then give you time to repeat after me. Feel free to repeat them out loud or in your mind. I am powerful. I am powerful. I am fully confident in myself and my vision. I am fully confident in myself and my vision. I am fiercely loyal to my heart. I am fiercely loyal to my heart. I am boldly pursuing my dreams. I am boldly pursuing my dreams. My courage is stronger than my fear. My courage is stronger than my fear. I am worthy. I am worthy. ground yourself in your inner power, in your courage and confidence to take you forward, to overcome any and all obstacles that come along your path. Always remember, you are strong, you are capable, you are so worthy. Beautiful. Now slowly come back to consciousness. Notice your breathing and how you feel now. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth, audible exhale. Take a final moment for gratitude. Blink open your eyes and look around. Thank you so much for sharing that beautiful session with me. Namaste.